I wish you bluebird in the spring to give your heart a song to sing. I wish you had much more than one. I wish you love. And in July, a lemonade to cool you in some leafy glade. And much more than this, I wish you love. My breaking heart, and I agree that you and I, it's not true, will never be. But with my best, my very best, my very best, I set you free. I wish you shelter from the storm, a cozy fire to keep you warm, but most of all when